In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your domain name servers with Hostinger, which is an essential step if you're looking to connect your domain to a new hosting provider. This process might seem a bit technical at first, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's get started by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your login credentials. After logging in, you should be directed to your account dashboard, which provides an overview of your active services and other important details. Now that you're in, let's navigate to the domain section. You can find this by looking at the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on Domains, and you'll see a list of your registered domains. Choose the domain you want to update, and click on it to open the Domain Management section. Here you'll see several options. What you're looking for is the Name Servers option. Selecting this will allow you to view and edit the current name servers associated with your domain. If you're moving your website to a new hosting provider, they should have provided you with a set of name servers. These are essentially part of the DNS settings that determine where your domain points. Click into the name server fields and enter the new name servers exactly as they've been provided to you by your new hosting or domain provider. It's crucial to get them exactly right, so double-check each entry to avoid any potential issues. Once you've verified everything's correct, go ahead and hit the Save button. But don't expect immediate changes. DNS changes can take a little while to update across the internet. This process, known as propagation, can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. It's perfectly normal, so don't worry if you don't see immediate changes to your website or domain status. While waiting, there are a few things you can do to ensure everything is on track. First, clear your browser cache to make sure you're seeing the most current version of your site. You can also use online tools to check propagation status globally, which will give you an idea of how far along the update process is. Once the propagation period has passed, your domain should now point to the new hosting provider, and your website will go live with the updated setup. If you experience any issues after the period is over, feel free to reach out to your hosting provider's support team to resolve any lingering problems. That's it for today's video. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this